Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani. This is the video number 121 and in this video I will be explain order of the reaction. Here you see rate is directly proportional exponent of the reactant, okay, like a power x and b power y. So is equal to proportional mark remove, so proportional rate constant. So rate is equal to k a power x and b power y. Okay, here x and y indicate how sensitive the rate is to the change in concentration of a and b. Okay, and sum of these exponent x plus y gives the order of the reaction. Okay, and x and y represent the order with respect to the reactant A and B. Okay, so what is the order of the reaction? So definition of the order of the reaction: the sum of the power of the concentration of the reactant A and B reactant. So the sum of the power of the concentration of the reactant in the rate law expression. This is the rate law expression. So it's called the order of that chemical reaction. So again I say the sum of the power of the concentration of the reactant in the rate law expression is called the order of that chemical reaction. So order of reaction can be 0, 1, 2, 3 and even a fraction. Okay, and order of the reaction means that the rate of reaction is independent the concentration of the reactant. Okay. Here you see example 4.3 based on this topic. Calculate the overall order of a reaction which has the rate expression. So here A given rate is equal to K A power half and B power 3 by 2. So you already know about the order is sum of the power of the concentration of the reactant, and here power given half and 3 by 2. So rate is equal to K A power x and B power y. So order x plus y. So here x given half and then y given 3 by 2. So half plus 3 by 2 is equal to 2. So that is means it is a second order reaction. Okay. Second B, rate is equal to K power 3 by 2 and B minus 1. So order is equal to 3 by 2 and minus 1. Okay. So half. So half order reaction. Okay. So if fraction way, so we have to say half order reaction. Okay, and 0, so 0 order reaction. If order of the reaction found 1, so first order, 2 found, so second order, and 3 found, so third order reaction. Okay, then two types of the reactions, elementary and then complex reaction. Two types of the reaction, elementary and then complex reaction. A balanced chemical reaction, okay, never give us a true picture of the reactions takes place, since rarely reaction gets completed in the one step. Okay, so the reaction, what is the definition of the elementary? The reaction taking place in one step are called elementary, and then when a sequence of the elementary reaction called mechanism and gives us the product, so the reaction are called complex reaction. Okay, so the reaction taking place in one step, so it is called elementary, and sequence of the elementary reaction, okay, give us product, so the reaction are called complex reaction. Clear? Like example, oxidation of ethane to carbon dioxide and water, so passes through a series of the intermediate step in which alcohol, aldehyde and acid are formed. Okay, so the reverse reaction, side reaction, example also nitration of phenol, yield orthonitrophenol and para-nitrophenol. So these types of reaction complementary reaction. Then after unit of rate constant, see rate formula is rate law according rate is equal to K A power x B power y. So order of the reaction x plus y, order of the reaction and denoted by small n. Okay, so K out So formula is rate divide A power x and B power y. So rate is equal to concentration upon time and x plus y, order denoted by small n. So A and B reactant concentration, so concentration power n, and rate concentration upon time. So concentration whole n going to the upper side, so 1 minus n. Okay, so time. So concentration formula is SI unit is concentration in a mole liter inverse and time. Okay, so this is the unit and time in second. Okay, so mole liter inverse second inverse. Okay, so here given power and order of the reaction. Okay, so like zero order reaction, so small n value is equal to 0. So concentration mole per liter, time denoted in second, concentration mole per liter, but zero order, that is means its value is 1. So zero order reaction, units of rate constant, mole liter inverse and second inverse. Then first order reaction, n is equal to 1. So power 1. So this is going to the upper side. So minus 1 and plus 1. So minus 1. And then this is also minus 1, so cancel is together, and then second inverse. So this is the first order reaction. Second order reaction when n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. So we have to write mole liter inverse and power 2. So this is going to the upper side. So mole liter inverse minus 2. Minus 2 here plus 2 and then here minus 1. So only minus 1 remain. So mole minus inverse liter second inverse. This is the second order reaction unit. Then example 4.4, based on this topic, identify the reaction order from each of the following rate constant. Identify the reaction order from each of the following rate constant. So K is equal to 2.3 into 10 to the power minus 5 liter mole liter inverse second inverse. So identify the reaction order. So here you see, this is the liter mole inverse second inverse, liter mole inverse second inverse. So this is the unit of the second order. So here the unit of the second order rate constant. Okay, so this represent a second order reaction. Second one unit given second inverse, and second inverse unit is first order reaction. Okay, so the unit of a first order rate constant is second inverse. Clear? Again you see, this is the main of the units of the rate constant. So zero order reaction, that is means n power 0. Formula is concentration upon time into 1 upon concentration upon 1 whole n, and you write this way also, this way short way, concentration 1 minus this power going to the upper side, 1 minus n divide by time. Okay, so 0, so 1 minus 0 1. So here you see mole liter inverse second inverse. Then second first order, so here 1 minus 1, so 0, so concentration also 0, so only for time second inverse. Okay, second order reaction, so here 1 minus 2, so minus 1. Okay, so minus 1, so mole inverse and liter inverse, so minus 1 multiplies plus 1. Okay, and second inverse. Okay, so this is that. So this is the short form formula, concentration 1 minus n divide time. Okay, then molecularity of a reaction. Main difference between the order of the reaction and then molecularity. Molecularity, that is means how many molecules participate in the reaction. So total sum of the total number of the reacting species, it is known as molecularity. But order of the reaction, sum of the power of the concentration, okay, of the reactant in the rate law expression, because that is means in which reactant concentration change. Rate of reaction depend on which reactant concentration. Okay, that is a order. So molecularity, the number of reacting species, atom, ions, molecules taking part in elementary reaction, which must be colloid, that is means colloid, that is means collision, and then simultaneously in order to bring about a chemical reaction, is called molecularity of reaction. Okay, one species reacting species involved, so we have to say unimolecular. So example is decomposition of ammonium nitrate. So here you see only for one molecule reactant participate in the reaction NH4 Na2, so convert into the N2 plus 2H2O. Okay, bimolecular, that is means 2HI, that is means 2 molecule collision, 2HI, that is means 2 molecule of HI. Okay, so formation H2 plus I2. Clear? So this is the example of bimolecular. Trimolecular, that is means 3 molecule participate in the reaction, so 2NO plus O2. Okay, so this is the trimolecular. Okay, so but probability that more than 3 molecules can collide and react is simultaneously is very small. Okay, so the reaction with the molecularity 3 are very rare and slow to proceed. Then this is the example, 3 molecules in the stoichiometry equation must take place in the more than one step. Here you see KCl3, KClO3, 6FeSO4, 3H2SO4. So here formation this product. So this reaction, okay, this reaction 6, 7, 8, 9 and then one molecule of KClO3. So 10th order. Okay, but is actually, it is actually 10th order, that is molecularity is 10. But its order is second order reaction because reaction only for depend on 2 molecules only. Okay, so second order reaction. Okay, so here written, this show that this reaction take place in several steps. Which step control the rate of the overall reaction? Okay, so if we go through the mechanism of the reaction, so for example, chances to win the relay race competition by a team depend upon his slowest person in that team. Okay, so the overall reaction of the reaction is controlled by the slowest step. This is the main line. Okay, so it is called rate determining step. So those steps, because this reaction occurs in many steps, so which step? Slowest step. So slowest step determine the control the reaction, so that is known as rate determined step. Okay, like here example given, decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. So example is decomposition of hydrogen peroxide which is catalyzed by iodide ion in alkaline medium. So here you see H2O2 iodide ion in the alkaline medium, so convert into the 2H2O plus O2. So the rate equation is rate is equal to differentiate wave minus dH2O2 divide dt because reactant, so minus mark. So rate law depend on H2O2 and then I minus. Okay, so KH2O2I minus because depend on catalyst also. Okay, this is the reaction is first order with respect to both H2O2 and I minus. So first reaction takes place in 2 steps. First is H2O2 plus I minus convert into the H2O plus IO minus. Then again hydrogen peroxide react with IO minus because here 2 molecule. So one molecule react with iodine, then formation water and IO minus. Then this I minus react with hydrogen peroxide, then water and then I minus and O2. So I minus again iodine catalyst again we again form in this reaction. Okay, so 2 hydrogen peroxide molecule react and 2 water molecule with oxygen form. So this both the steps are bimolecular elemental reaction. Okay, and it is called, this species called intermediate since it is formed during the course of the reaction but not in overall balanced reaction. Okay, so first step is this one, rate determined step because it is a slow step. Okay, clear? So slow step, the rate of the formation intermediate will determine the rate of this reaction. So what is the conclusion? First is order of reaction is an experimental quantity. It can be 0, even a fraction, but molecularity cannot be 0 or non-intermediate. Okay, clear? Integer. Order of the reaction is an experimental quantity. It can be 0 or and even a fraction, but molecularity can't be 0 or non-integer. Then second one, order is applicable to elementary as well as complex reaction, whereas molecularity is applicable only for elementary and then for complex reaction molecularity has no meaning. elementary, that is means single step. So order is also applicable to single step as well as complex, but molecularity is applicable only for elementary reaction. Okay, and for complex reaction molecularity has no meaning. Then for complex reaction, order is given by the slowest step and molecularity of the slowest is the same as the order of the overall reaction. Okay. Then integrate rate equation. Integrated rate equation for first zero order reaction. What is the meaning of zero order reaction? Zero order reaction means that the rate of reaction is proportional to the zero power of the concentration of the reactant. Okay. So like reactant convert into the product. So rate is equal to minus dr upon dt is equal to k r power 0. Those reaction that the rate of reaction depend on the proportional zero power of the concentration of the reactant. Here capital bracket represent the concentration. Okay, so zero power of the capital concentration of the reactant. Clear? And then r power 0, that is means 1. Okay, so power 0 is unity. Then rate is equal to minus dr upon dt is equal to k into 1. Then cross multiply dt going to this side and this side. So dr is equal to minus, so dr minus dt going to the right hand side. So dr is equal to minus k dt. Okay, then integrated both side. So dr integration, so whenever integration, so dr integration r is equal to minus k and dt integration t plus I, and you also write I is equal to c, constant of integration. Here in book I given. Okay, so your choice, I otherwise c. So integration of the constant, if t is equal to 0 times, so concentration of the reactant r is equal to r naught. R naught, that is means initial concentration of the reactant. So t is equal to 0 and r is equal to r naught. So k multiply 0 0. So r naught value I, and this value put on this formula again. So r is equal to minus kt plus I, r naught value put on the I, so r naught. Okay, and then t going to the right and left hand side, kt going to the left hand side, and then r going to the right hand side. So k minus kt convert into the plus kt, r naught minus r. Okay, t going to the right hand side, so divide by t. So k is equal to r naught minus r divide by t. So this is the rate constant for zero order reaction. Okay, clear? Example of the zero order reaction. Here first you see example, few example. Okay, first is the decomposition of the gaseous ammonia on a hot platinum surface is zero order reaction. See, at high pressure, so 2NH3 gas at temperature 1130 Kelvin and platinum catalyst, so ammonia convert into the nitrogen and then hydrogen. Okay, so this is the example. Depend, because rate only for depend on K is equal to NH3 reactant and power 0, that is means rate of reaction depend on the zero exponent of the reactant, that is means not a depend on concentration of the reactant. Okay, so this is the example of the zero order reaction. Here platinum metal act as a catalyst, and then at high pressure we have to use, so metal surface gets saturated with gas molecules, and so further change in the reaction condition is unable to alter the amount of the ammonia on the surface of the catalyst, making the rate of the reaction. Okay, other example, thermal decomposition of HI on gold surface. This is the another example. First example this one, and second example this one. Okay, HI on gold surface. See this diagram. When graph plot between the concentration of reactant and then time. So see, this graph straight line obtained. So initial concentration on the at the zero where R naught value, and then its rate constant value k is equal to slope is equal to k is equal to minus slope. Okay, so this line graph is obtained. So this is the variation in the concentration versus the time plot for a zero order reaction. Okay, then after similar way first order reaction, Then first order reaction. First order reaction, the rate of the reaction is proportional to the first power of the concentration of the reactant. So first power, here R convert into the reactant, convert into the product. Okay, so rate of the concentration minus dr upon dt is equal to kr power 1. So the rate of the concentration, rate of the reaction is proportional the first power of the concentration of the reactant. Okay, proportional mark going, and then removal, and then k rate constant. Okay, then R is equal to convert into the product. Okay, so rate is equal to minus dr upon dt is equal to k r power 1. Then cross multiply, r going to the left hand side and dt going to the right hand side. So dr upon r is equal to minus going to the right side minus k dt. Whenever integration we have to take, so dr upon r integration ln r and then minus k and then dt integration t plus I we write, otherwise we have to write c. Then ln k integration of dt, so t plus I here constant of the integration and value can be determined easily. Okay, similar as a zero order when t is equal to 0. So R is equal to R naught. R naught is equal to initial concentration of the reactant. That is means at the time of the t is equal to 0. Concentration R naught. Then this value put on this equation. Okay. So R naught, ln R naught is equal to minus k, t value 0 plus I. So this is the 0 value. So ln R naught is equal to I. So I value is ln R naught. Put the value in equation first. So ln R is equal to minus kt. Then ln R naught, put the value on the place of the I plus ln R naught. Okay. Then minus kt going to the left hand side, and then this is the going to the right hand side. Otherwise your choice. Okay. Because this is the initial concentration. So okay. So minus kt. Okay, so ln R divide by ln R naught and then minus kt, rearranging the equation. Okay, so then minus k going to the left hand side, k is equal to, and this is going to the right hand side, so is equal to 1 upon t ln R naught upon R. Then at time t1, so this equation ln R1 is equal to minus kt1 and ln R naught, because R naught is same. But on the time t1, at the time t2, ln R2 is equal to minus kt2 and ln R naught. Okay, so R1 and R2 the concentration of the reactants at the time t1 and t2. Okay, so two types of equation. So this equation and this equation subtract. Okay, so this equation subtract. So ln R1 minus ln R2 is equal to minus kt1 and minus kt2, and this is the cancel. Okay, then minus value in ln, so ln R1 upon ln R2 is equal to k minus plus, and then t2 minus t1. Okay, then after k value going to the left hand side and then t2 minus t1 also, this is way left hand side. So ln R1 divide ln R2, t2 minus t1 going to the this side, so divide 1 by t2 minus t1 and then k is equal to 1 by t2 minus t1 ln R1 upon R2. Okay, we have to write this way also. Okay, ln R upon R naught is equal to minus kt. Okay, taking antilog of the both side, your choice. Directly we have to write. Okay, ln convert into the log way, so you write this way because this is the equation, right? And this equation also you learn this equation. So k is equal to 1 by t, ln convert into the log, so ln is equal to 2.303 log. Okay, so k is equal to 2.303, see 2.303 log, divide 1 t R naught upon R. Okay, and log R naught upon R going to the left hand side, so value is equal to KT divide 2.303. So if plot a graph between the log concentration and then time versus time, so slope K upon 2.303 come. Okay. See the graph. Log R naught upon R versus time, we have to plot graph. So its straight line come and its slope is equal to K divided by 2.303. And ln R and T, whenever plot the graph, so initial concentration ln R naught, same zero order reaction, this straight line obtain, and its slope is K is equal to minus slope. Okay. Example of the first order reaction. First example, hydrogenation of ethene is example of the first order. Ethene C2H5H4 plus H2 gas convert into the C2H6 gas. Okay, C2H4 plus H2 gas convert into the C2H6 gas. Then rate is equal to, rate depend on this only for molecule C2H4. Rate is equal to K C2H4. So here molecularity, you learn this way, molecularity, one molecule of the C2H4 and one molecule of hydrogen, so 2. But order, because in the rate law expression, this is a rate law expression, only for rate depend on the concentration of the exponent power 1, first power of the concentration of the reactant C2H4. So this order only 1. Okay, the all natural and then artificial radioactive decay of unstable nuclei so takes place by first order kinetics. Okay, so first example is the hydrogenation of ethene. Second example, all natural and artificial radioactive is the first order kinetics. Third example is, here this is C, radioactive example given, Ra radon, radium convert into the breakdown into the helium and radon. Okay, so 226 its atomic mass, 88 its atomic number, and breakdown, so helium molecule out, and 222 and 86 radon. Okay, so here concentration rate of reaction depend on radium KRa. So this is the first order reaction. Third example, decomposition of N2 or N2 and N2O5. Okay, if pressure given on the place of the concentration, so formula we have to write this way, K is equal to 2.303 T log there R naught upon R. So here we write log P1 upon PA, log P1 upon PA. But first we find value PA. Okay, so for finding the PA, so see one example for first order gas phase reaction. So A gas convert into the B gas plus C gas.